let me show you how you can make a quick recording of your screen without any third-party software. We simply need to open QuickTime. That's the program for playing videos on Mac. So I'm going to head to the Launchpad where I can type the name of the app I need. It is QuickTime Player. So opening this app without any video, so it will not pop up, but I can see it's active here at the top left. QuickTime Player, and from here we can make a quick recording of the screen. File, and you will see option for new screen recording. Click on that, and now you have option to select which area of your screen you want to record. We can record entire screen, or we can record a selected portion of it. In that case, they will ask you to draw some kind of rectangle on the area you want to record. Let's say you don't want to show your dog in the video. Just like that, click record. And now this video is already recording, so whatever I do here will be recorded, and later on you can send it to somebody. If you want to stop recording session, click this stop button at the top. And we are done, and here's the video. Take a look. Here's our desktop in a good frame rate, and everything we did was recorded into this MOV video. Now we could use that to send it to somebody, or to put into a bigger project, to put to a video editing software and add it to our project. All right, so we can now click save and save this recording on your hard drive.